guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing the last video for the Master Beginner Makeup series here on my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be all about the no makeup look. So if you want to see how I create the look, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to be using something kind of new to my channel, and to me. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. I love to use this for priming and under foundation. Sometimes I just leave it like this. Today we're going to be leaving it like this. So I'm going to kind of twist it a little bit, and then we're going to start applying it. So right now I am in a new filming spot. I'm like right in front of a window, and I like really like how it looks because I'm not using a light, and I don't know, it just looks a lot better. I think I can put like my ring light behind my green screen so it can be a little bit better, but I haven't really decided what I'm going to do. Okay, so I am just putting this all over the face, and I also like to get on the eyelids to prime the eyelids as well. I did forget my beauty. Next, I'm gonna take my beauty blender just to blend everything in. Okay, now we're going to do eyebrows. Now, actually, I go into brow powder first. This is from Jcat. This is the Brow Amazing Duo. This is in Sand. I'm going to take my Morphe, what is this? Morphe M158 brush. And I'm first going to take the lighter shade, which is this one, and we're going to kind of fill in the end of the brow, and then with the darker shade we're going to fill in the other part of the brow. And then you can see there is some like areas that I need to even more fill in. I'm going to use the pencil to do that. Next, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. I'm just going to take some of it on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take, let's see, a concealer brush. I'm going to take this one from Bedelium, I think it's called. This is the fiber brush, I think it's called. The name is kind of rubbing off, so I don't know. It looks like that. And I'm going to apply this under eye and any blemishes. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender, picks up some of the excess off the back of my hand, and then blend it in. Next, we are going to use the NYX HD finishing powder to set the under eye and the makeup. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush. This one is in Banana, by the way. I'm going to tap off the excess and set the under eye area. And actually, I'm going to also set the lid. And then I'm going to take a bigger brush. This one is from Real Techniques, and this is the powder brush. I'm going to use the same product. We're going to set the rest of the face. Next, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Pinch Me Pink. I cannot find this one at Ulta. It's so sad. I mean, this one was one of my favorite colors. It's so nice. I'm going to take my Shani 32 brush set. This is the brush 29. Chop off the excess and apply this to the cheek. very, very lightly though. And I take like a really big fluffy brush and blend this. Okay, now it's time for mascara. First, I'm going to curl my lashes. Then I'm going to apply my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. This one is in Blackest Black. I'm going to do a very, very, like, maybe medium coat I usually do when I want to do a no makeup look. I have started to apply mascara to my lower lash line, but for this makeup look I'm not going to, so I'm going to skip that. Okay, two more things we're going to do. We're going to apply the Loreal Alter Ego lip gloss. This is another thing that I cannot find, and I think there were like 4 lip glosses in a set, and they were like my favorite. This is the lip gloss that really, really matches my natural lip, which I really, really like. This one is in Angel. It might be a little bit more slightly peachy, but I still really like it. Okay, last thing we're going to do, we're going to spray my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Joashua 1-8. Ooh, I put 18 in the description. Okay, whatever. Okay. This says, "This book of the law shall not depart from your mouth, but shall meditate on it a day and night, so that you may be careful to do according to all that is written in it. For then you will make your way I cannot say that. Prosperous. There we go. Prosperous, and then you will have good success." And again, that was Joshua 1:8. That was it for today's video. See you guys next Wednesday for another video. Bye!